Hi, in this video, let's change the battery of this smart key. And your smart key looks like this. So, look at the back. Meron po siyang maliit na, it's like, you can move this one. Yan, twist nyo lang ganyan para maalis yung master key niya, yung main key. So, ito. This is my smart key. Pundi na siya eh. So, you just use your finger and flip in this one. There. And that's your lithium cell battery. So, mine is, there's a code, CR2025. So, that's the number. Just check on your, yung battery nyo kung ano yung number ng battery. Kasi may different number. Merong 2020, 3035, something like that. So, madali lang, ganyan lang siya. Then, you just use your nails. There you go. Remove. And this is the cheapest one I got. It depends on the brand too. So, I just got the cheapest one. So, this is 2025 lithium. Yeah. I just place it. Oops. There you go. There. And then put it back. Make sure na nagano siya, na walang gap in between. Because if there's gap, mag-accumulate yun ng dust. Ayan. Oops. There. Just to make sure there's no gap in here. Pino siya. Kasi kung may gap, doon mag-accumulate yung dust. There. Ganun lang po siya. And then, ito po yung key. There. It takes a minute lang to change your battery. Thank you for watching.